Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to enable parental controls on YouTube. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now there are two ways for you to be able to have parental controls in YouTube. And what a parental control does is that it limits the output or the videos a person can see in their YouTube account, whether it's mobile or desktop. Now, the first method is to go and search in your browser, whether it's desktop or mobile. You can simply search YouTube for kids or YouTube Kids. And over here, you will be able to set up your YouTube Kids over here, which will create a more contained environment for kids to explore. There's a specific link for this as well, which is a different version than your usual or typical YouTube. As you can see here, this is for desktop. And for mobile, you're going to install YouTube Kids over here in your Google Play. And same concept, your YouTube will be limited to child-friendly content. But for YouTube directly over here on desktop, you can simply open your YouTube, click on your profile over here on the top right. And as you can see here, there will be the option restriction mode available. So simply select that. And as you can see, click on activate restricted mode, which will hide potential mature videos on your YouTube account or your YouTube website over here. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.